In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a Facebook video in a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open Facebook and find the public video you want to embed. Click the three-dot menu on the video, select Embed, then copy the embed code. Next, sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to display the video. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to view the complete list. Drag the embed code element onto your page where you want the Facebook video to appear. Click the element, select Edit Custom HTML and paste the embed code you copied from Facebook. Preview your website to make sure the video displays and plays correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to embed a Facebook video in a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.